Even though she's spitting wax, she's fucking showed you up.
Listen, I'm wrapping it tighter. Tell your mum to get out of the Cypher.
Get a fucking clout. What's the time? Hey now, don't dream it's over.
The minute she stepped in,
You're the boy between us. Now what are you saying?
Time. You know that I've fucking rhyme gutter and a slice fuckers. Lyricist, there's your white mother.
Oh my goodness gracious me!
Oh my fucking gracious me!
Hey now, don't dream it.
Yeah. Why is she stepping here? She smells a beer.
Oh my goodness gracious me! Who are you two declaring? Oh my goodness gracious!
Me and Blzzard, you know we've got the best clout. Your style's holy, like Blizzard's mum's mouth.
One, please.
Yo, fucking. You know that I'm ending these heads further. If that was my mum, I'd be in for attempted murder. And as I don't interrupt me, this isn't your battle, love. I don't give a fuck. Chronicle's the one that I'm slapping, bro.
What did you even say?
And now give a fuck about who the fuck is here. None of that though. That's mine. She's trying to grab my hand. Like that's
funny. Could you hear it now?
Yo.
She's so horrified.
I'm feeling quite horrified now.
Yo, this woman stepped into the Cypher showing no dignity. But this is a great time for you to try and lose your virginity. She stepped into the Cypher during my round and put me in an awkward position. She battled me and she was the only fucking competition.
And that is what they say.
That's better music than any of your tracks. Does that not tell this fag that you're incredibly whack? Carry on, keep rolling.
Roll.
Yo, Blzzard. You always like dicks in your bum. I just want to say one thing, bro. Show some respect to your mum.
Oh my goodness gracious mum!
Gracious mum.
Well, what did you think
For the record, that is not my mum. I'm not from around here.
You don't want to be.
Good. Yeah, I want to be your slimer.